For months, my portfolio slumbered like a stagnant river, barely shifting its tide. I felt caged, ready to abandon the pursuit altogether. Then came a revelation, an investment principle unearthed from Ray Dalio, that cracked the ice of my stagnation. Within months, my capital didn't just grow, it doubled. I had tasted minor victories, yet every sudden market downturn would devour those gains like wildfire consuming dry brush. Frustration gnawed at me. The fear of failure pressed heavily, and I almost surrendered to despair. Ray Dalio, the architect of Bridgewater Associates, the globe's largest hedge fund, was not just another financier. He was a titan, wielding an unorthodox philosophy that reshaped my understanding. His doctrine seemed labyrinthine at first glance, yet within its complexity I discovered the missing compass my trading had lacked. I plunged into his world, devouring his books, absorbing interviews, even watching his animated economic machine lessons. From humble beginnings in a cramped apartment, Dalio had forged a multi-billion-dollar empire. That wasn't fortune's whim, it was methodology incarnate. One cornerstone struck me like lightning: diversification. Dalio preached that proper diversification can carve away 70 to 80% of risk. I suddenly realized my downfall. I had shackled too much wealth to too few bets. Therefore, when storms struck, I was exposed. Another eye-opening lesson: Dalio didn't view markets as straight lines, but as cycles. Long arcs of debt and inflation intertwined with shorter swings of boom and bust. I had chased hot trends like a moth to flame. But Dalio's lens taught me to track the gears: money supply, debt ratios, central bank maneuvers. Therefore, I began aligning my trades with where we stood in the grand cycle. Perhaps most transformative was second-order thinking. Dalio warned, don't stop at what happens next. Ask, and then what? It's chess, not checkers. A rate cut may fuel stocks today, but it might kindle tomorrow's inflationary blaze. Therefore, I trained myself to always look 2, even 3 moves ahead. Finally, Dalio hammered on principles, codifying rules into a personal constitution. I realized I had been winging trades by gut. Therefore, I inscribed my own commandments. Never risk beyond a set percentage. Always keep dry powder. Scatter bets across sectors. Elementary? Perhaps effective? Absolutely. Following these rules religiously gave me steel where once I wavered. Armed with these fragments of Dalio's wisdom, I reshaped my portfolio. I scattered my wagers: resilient stocks, sovereign bonds, gold's ancient shelter, even a shard of crypto. A cushion of cash rested on the sidelines, echoing Dalio's risk-parity design. Slowly, my holdings transformed into a balanced fortress. Then the test arrived. Markets quivered, headlines screamed panic. One tech stock I owned plummeted 30% in days. The old me would have crumbled, but my gold gleamed steady, my bonds held firm. My net worth barely flinched. The sensation of not losing was intoxicating. Every time chaos tried to claw at me, diversification dulled its teeth. Quarter by quarter, my written principles shepherded me. No euphoric highs, no devastating collapses, just steady ascent. Months later, staring at my account, disbelief turned to exhilaration. My money had doubled. Diversify relentlessly. As Dalio reminds us, spreading your assets can shave away 70 to 80% of risk. One bad day won't topple your empire. Respect cycles. Markets breathe in rhythms of debt and inflation. Align your moves with the cycle's pulse. Think 2 steps ahead. Ask, and then what? To pierce beyond surface reactions. Live by principles. Codify your own rulebook. It anchors you when emotions threaten to steer the ship. A year ago, I was shackled in frustration. The salvation wasn't a magic indicator or esoteric formula, it was an approach. Dalio's approach. By weaving his core philosophies of diversification, cycles, layered thinking, and principles into my own playbook, my portfolio transformed. I doubled my money not by chasing shiny illusions, but by constructing a resilient framework capable of withstanding tempests. That is the secret I unearthed. To think like Dalio, to plan like Dalio, and to endure like Dalio. And perhaps, if you choose the same path, your fortune may one day whisper the same story.